going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the Civic we're going to be painting the valve cover. I really don't need to do it, but I'm going to do it just because it's a little dirty and I just want to clean up all the grime and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything off and then basically put some purple power to it, and then I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so we got it all clean. As you can tell, it's pretty clean. Honestly, I took the longest because I cleaned it inside. Yeah, I know I don't need to, but just peace of mind, just wanted to see, you know, how the oil is and everything. And I know I missed a couple of spots, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna tape it up and then start painting it. So as you can see, I painted I masked all this stuff off, so nothing would get into it. So let's start painting. Alright, we're back. It's dried and everything. So basically, you really can't see on camera, but it turned out really good. I am going to get new valve cover gasket, spark plug gaskets and all that stuff. But while I was waiting for it to dry, I decided to throw my old stereo in that I had. And I relocated it down here instead of it having it up here. But I'm gonna get the plate that goes here, the Honda plate. You know, cup holder still works and everything. It's dirty in here. The guy that had it before me, he really didn't care about the inside of it. But that wraps it up for this video. Hopefully you guys like it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.